Hi, my name is Zachary Alston, and my protein is acetylcholinesterase. Acetylcholinesterase is an enzymatic protein that bonds with and breaks down a certain type of neurotransmitter called acetylcholine. Acetylcholine has a formal positive charge of 1, which makes it polar, and sends signals between your nerves and your muscles. Acetylcholinesterase can be found within the synapse of your nerve between your nerve cells and your muscle cells, and is only in animals. Fun fact actually is that acetylcholinesterase was first found in electric fish. But so in my model, we have the protein, the acetylcholinesterase, and deep within the protein is the active site where the bonding and the breaking down actually occurs. So what happens is the acetylcholine sends the message is sent, and the acetylcholinesterase comes in and bonds with the acetylcholine at 2 points. The first point is the anionic site where hydrophilic molecules bond. Well, as you can see, the acetylcholine is mostly made up of methyl groups. So the methyl group bonds at the hydrophilic site, and it also bonds at the hydrolysis site where the acetylcholine is broken down into acetic acid and choline. So acetyl acetylcholinesterase becomes less active when it is introduced to a toxin like sarin. So in this new model, we have the protein acetylcholinesterase, and we see that it is introduced to sarin. So what happens with sarin is that so the acetylcholine still sends the message and is still able to bond at the anionic site, but is no longer able to bond at the site of hydrolysis because that is where the sarin bonds. So since this happens, we still have the acetylcholine being sent down. We have the messages being sent down, but they aren't getting broken down. So this results in a buildup of the neurotransmitter. So this buildup results in involuntary muscle actions such as watery eyes, runny nose, uh, you drool from your mouth, you can get chest tightness. And what can also happen if the exposure is great enough, you can actually suffer from paralysis or even death. So while this protein doesn't go through a mutation, its function actually changes and becomes less active. Thank you.